Hey guys, welcome to Tech to Zen. I am Kritish and I have a big announcement for you guys that we are bringing a new Tech to Zen website just for you guys from where you can check latest tech updates within few clicks. Not only that, you can check latest marketing, human resource development, web development and ethical hacking content for free within some clicks in the form of vlogs, videos, news, tutorials and many more. So basically, to check the latest tech updates and other things too, just click on the link description or you can just navigate to tech2gen.com on the web browser itself. So coming towards the today's topic, which is how to get a free website without even spending a penny from your pocket. So in this tutorial, we will teach you that how to get a free domain name, web hosting, SSL certificate and a CloudFlare. So basically it's all-in-one web hosting package that you are gonna get free in this video. So please click subscribe right now and like this video so we could get support and we could continue creating these kind of videos so you can also enjoy our techie content. And also, if you are checking the blog version of this video, what you can do is just go to the description. You will find a link where you can just get the blog version of this same tutorial only. So you can enjoy two versions of the same tutorial for your ease. So without any further delay, let's start today's tutorial. So let's get through the first part, which is how to get a domain for free. So to get a domain for free, all you need to do is just navigate to freenom.com. Like here, you can just enter freenom.com and you will reach here. You can just find a new domain like test domain 1. Let's check the availability. And oh, it's not available. So just let me check another one. Just domain with double N and 1. Okay, so this seems nice. I've selected one and click on checkout. Okay, so you can extend this period up to 12 months for free. So I'm gonna extend. You can also just click on 12 months ad free and continue. And here, what you have to do is just enter your email address to claim the free domain. But here I'm gonna use my temp mail because this is a kind of test email for me, but in your case you can use your real email so you would not lose the access to the domain name. Okay, temp mail. Okay, here we go. We got our temp mail. We pasted it here and verify my email address. Okay, verification link is being sent. Just refresh it. Okay, here we got our email. After getting the email, just click on the link. Fine, so our email is confirmed successfully. So let us enter our basically details, first name, last name and all other details. I'm also gonna enter my test details because this is not my main account. I would strongly suggest you to enter your real details only so you would not lose access. Test address 110010 Delhi, India, Delhi. Okay, fine, complete my order. Okay, so we got our order confirmation which is showing that our order is completed successfully. So let's check in my domains. So here you can see our status is active, which means our domain is activated successfully. So now let's get to the step 2, which is to get a free hosting. So to get a free hosting, what you have to do is just go to infinityfree.net and here we come at the infinityfree.net. And you know what, the best part of this hosting is you are getting unlimited disk space and bandwidth for free. Not only that, you are getting one-click WordPress installer for free. And not only that, again, you are getting a free SSL and CloudFlare for free. You know what? This is the best you can get in free. So to claim that, all you have to do is just click on sign up now and enter your email. Again, here I'm going to use my temp mail, and again I'm going to strongly suggest you to use your real email to keep the access. Copy email and enter your details and just clear the captcha as well. Create new account. So here we sent our email, and in our temp mail we just got our verify email address, and this is the verification link, and here we did verify. Okay, so now we got a free domain and hosting. Now it's the third part, which is to link the domain with hosting by changing the default name servers. So to do that, create a new account. So just go to custom domain, enter your domain name. So just copy your domain name from here, my domains, and this is your domain name. Just copy it from here and paste it here. Search domain, and here you will find the domain name is available. Just enter a password and create account. But here you will see that your domain is not pointing the name servers. To make your domain point to the name servers, all you need to do is copy the first name server and go to manage domain, management tools, name servers, and enter custom name servers. So just change the name servers as they are provided, ns1.apz and ns2.apz.com. Here you can check that the name servers I had entered are correct, and just change your name servers like this. So let me just explain you, this process will take up to 24 to 48 hours to propagate the name servers from the old server to the new free hosting server. But nowadays it don't take that much time. This will be just finished in almost 24, not 24, 5 to 10 hours only. The process is fast, okay? So it's very fast nowadays. So how you can check that your domain name is basically at the new server's IP or the name servers are propagated? So to check that, you have to go to whatsmydns.net. This is a website from where you can just check that whether your name servers are at right place or not. Oh, basically this changes does not applied. So yeah, changes saved successfully. Now let me check. Oh, okay. So basically now the process has been started, initiated. It will take time. You have to be patient. And from here, by entering your domain name right here and go to NS and go to search. So now as you can see, it's an ns1.freenom.com. So it's not propagated yet, but here you can see at some places it's coming ns1.apz.com, which means the propagation process is in progress. Okay, sometimes, basically in rare times, it propagates very fast, in 5 minutes only. You can check, it's basically propagating. It's propagating very fast. That is insane. So to check that the propagation is done according to your free hosting server only, what you have to do is just try again to create your account. If your account is created like this means that your domain name is propagated successfully. So congratulations, your domain name is being propagated, but you have to wait until the setting up of your account is finished. So now as you can see, our account is active. So let's go to the control panel. Here you can see our control panel is working, which means our setup was successful. So congrats. Let's check this out by installing WordPress. So to do this, just go to the Softaculous apps installer in the control panel and click on the WordPress. Click on install now and just fill in the basic settings. Okay, so basically select the latest version as it is recommended and select the protocol. Basically, obviously, you have to choose HTTPS or HTTPS with www as it is strongly recommended by experts, no doubts. And if you want to use directory, just enter directory or leave it as it is. And a trusted SSL certificate was not found. Don't worry, we will install the SSL certificate in the next step of this video. And give your site a name, my test blog. And obviously, you have to write about your website in the site description. And give your admin username here, password and email. And also, if you want to use the WPMU feature of WordPress, which is WordPress multi-site, you can check it here. You can just enable it from here, but I would like to give you a warning. If you don't know what it is and if you don't know how to use this, please stay away from this. In the further videos we will discuss about WordPress multi-site, but if you don't know what this is right now, I would strongly suggest to stay away from this. Okay, enter your admin email, site language, select some plugins if you want pre-installed plugins. Same with the theme, if you want pre-installed theme you can choose it there, but I just want the default 2021 theme, which is the latest theme installed by WordPress. Okay, let it install, and here you can see our WordPress installation was successful. Now check this out. Okay, our WordPress installation was successful, but the site cannot provide the secure connection, which means a SSL certificate is missing. Basically, yes, you can see our website is working, but a proper SSL certificate is not installed. So let's install a proper SSL certificate. So to install, just go to your client area and you can check here free SSL certificates. Go to add SSL domain and go to custom domain and just add your domain name. What's the domain name is? Okay, this is our domain name. Just add it and let the SSL provider be Let's Encrypt and click on add SSL domain. So now in order to activate the SSL you have to add some CNAME records, and to add this go to your control panel and search for CNAME. Okay, here you can see CNAME records. Click here and copy the record name, paste it here, copy the destination, paste it here and add. Similarly do with the second one. Copy the record name, paste it here and copy the second destination and paste it and add. So our both CNAME records are added successfully, and it's saying that it can take up to 24 hours to take effect, but it will not take. You can just refresh the page in order to check that whether it's ready or not. You can check in 5 to 10 minutes because this is the basic time. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to update the CNAME records. So I'll see you in 5 minutes. So here you can see our both records are finally ready. Okay, and after you get these ready, just request SSL certificate, and here you can see your certificate has been requested and will be created shortly. So you have to wait 1 or 2 minutes to get your certificate activated. You can see here we are getting your SSL certificate. Please ensure that the validation checks stay at ready. We'll email you when your certificate is ready. So you have to wait some minutes. You can see the status as active when it will be basically activated on your domain name. Okay, so guys, as you can see, we just received the SSL. You can see the status is issued. We just received the SSL within 5 minutes from the Let's Encrypt, which is the issuer. And now what we have to do is just to install the SSL certificate on our server. So in order to do that, just go to your cPanel and go to your home and search for SSL. Okay, right here go to configure, and from here you have to copy the private key, and here you have to delete the private key if there is written something, and you have to paste your. Okay, in shortly you have to replace your private key and click on upload key. Similarly you have to upload the certificate too. Just copy it from here and paste it right here and click on upload certificate, and now your certificate is installed. So let's check whether it's working. Yeah, fine. You can see the connection is secure, it's working fine, and now it's turned to install the CloudFlare in order to enhance the security of the website. Okay, so now let's install CloudFlare on our server. To do that, just go back to your cPanel. Okay, search for CloudFlare. Okay, your domain name is right there. Alter CloudFlare and click to enable. You can see CloudFlare has now enabled on the domain. It may take up to 48 hours to take effect due to DNS propagation. I already told you that it may take up to 24 to 48 hours to propagate the DNS, but don't worry, the CloudFlare is activated now. Okay, so let's create a CloudFlare account now in order to configure directly from the CloudFlare's website. Just go to Google, search for CloudFlare, go to CloudFlare, sign yourself up using your real email. Okay, I'm using temp mail. Okay, password. Okay, I'm signing myself up and it's asking for my website. This is my website. Okay, just remove the HTTPS and all. Just enter the domain name in simple format. Select plan, obviously free one. Scanning for existing DNS records. Okay, proxied. So it's been set up. So as you know, we just set it up back in our video through the cPanel, and it just confirms that it's been set it up, and we can just continue from right here. Log into registrar, remove these name servers and replace the name servers. Okay, so in order to activate the Cloudflare on our domain, what we have to do is we have to replace the name server of Cloudflare with the real ones. Okay, so we are going back to the free norm, go to the management tool and name servers, and just copy the Cloudflare's name server right here, the second name server. Okay, change name servers. Okay, so let's check whether it's updated or not. Okay, let's check the NS1. Okay, so it's updating. Let's done name servers, get started. Okay, so let's set up. It's really recommended to activate the automatic HTTPS rewrites. Save, always use HTTPS, of course. Optimize performance, yes. If you want your website to be loaded faster, just check these three up and save. Shortly speed up your page load times, yes, enable, and finish. Okay, so it's checking. Recheck now. Okay, the domain is now queued up for to be rechecked. Please check back in few hours. Okay, so let's wait for it to be basically confirmed by the Cloudflare. I'll see you then. So now as we can see, we have received a mail from Cloudflare which says that it's now active. Okay, so let's go back to the Cloudflare right here and refresh. Tada, it's now protecting website, which is great. And now let's set the basic WordPress up. So in order to set, just go to the login page, which is WP login. Okay, login here with your username and password. Let's wait to log it in. And here we got to our dashboard. So guys, we just got our WordPress installed right on our server. And you know what, in this video we just got a free domain, free website, basically web hosting, and we just installed free SSL and Cloudflare for security, and even WordPress with single click. So much of content we just covered in single video, and for this you need to hit the like button and obviously subscribe my channel too with bell icon. And why are you not commenting? I don't find any comment on my channel. Please comment whether you like the video, or is there any problem, or you have any suggestions or not, or what are you doing. Just do comments, man, and please do not spam. And that's all for this video. We covered a lot of things, and if you want to know how to set the WordPress up properly from basic settings to advanced, we'll cover how to install themes and plugins, and we'll make your website more basically advanced and lashy. So if you want to know how to do that, just wait for my next video. It's higher chance that it's been released when you are watching, so you can check the I button right on the corner if it's released. Okay, so that's all for this video. Hope you have a great day. Thank you so much and bye.